So I'm making this video talking about being I understand how it is to be dyslexic, and I wanted to show everyone tricks and stuff for your children or just for you. Um, One thing is I definitely understand I am dyslexic. I know how it is to sit in the classroom. You just yeah, I understand. I've been tested. I have horrible case of it. No returning. There's no cure and everything. So the one thing is, don't look at it negative. Don't look at it, so negative. Just look at the positive. There's been lots of times my friends will look at something or do something or whatever, and they don't get how to, like, I don't know, they just don't understand how to get the answer or whatever, and I'm like, no, dude, it's like this, because the best way to learn is how you learn. Something my mom taught me when I was little, and it's something I think everyone should know. One thing that helps a lot, for math anyways, I'll explain for math and like reading and essays and all kinds of stuff. One thing that helps with math is definitely graph paper. Graph paper is wonderful. Keeps you organized and on track. Other thing is highlighters. Your best friend. Or colored pencils. The reason I say this is because addition you highlight in green, just like whatever color basically you or your child will remember. For me, it's always green colored pencil, and like red. Red is no, or orange. Pink, blue, I mean, each color has, this is addition, this is subtraction, this is multiplication, this is, division, and you can work this all the way up to like algebra, just depending on, the colors, and, you just add more colors. Now, I understand, teachers and college professors can be very picky and stuff like that about it. Well, when they may not want you to turn your homework in and with a bunch of highlighted and all that stuff. So you write it in gray. But when you're taking notes or you're studying, or you have like a side piece of paper to work your problem, do it in the color pencils and the highlighters. It will help you. You will learn it better. It'll be a lot easier, a lot less stressful. When you're reading, I can understand, like, when you're reading something, it gets jumbled up, the letters flip on you, you skip rows, and you're lost. This thing you can do is take, like, an index card, and cut a little piece of it out. So, see how it has lines? If you take in the middle of here and take only like about this much of it out, you take like that much of it out on an index card. You can actually make it longer. Actually make that a lot longer. Depending on how well you stay focused and stuff, you may need a whole piece of paper to block out the entire book and only just that little bit you're reading. This will help you stay on track to focus on, this is the sentence, like this, well, not a sentence, this is the word I'm reading, and just all you do is take it and then slide it. And you only read what's in that little cutout piece of paper. This helps a lot. The other thing is I'm terrible at essays. Terrible. I use a thing called White Smoke. It is a program. It costs $100. Hold on. But it'll help you with like your punctuation, your grammar, and all kinds of things. I mean, it is amazing. And it also explains why you need a comma here, why it's a comma splice, why you need to this word does not make a word. You have a repeating word. Would you like to change this repeating word? And this is why you need a period and exclamation points and all that jazz. So this is just a video I wanted to make to hopefully help someone else. Hope this information helps.